cleaning products that are environmentally friendly, inexpensive, and effective are hiding right in your cupboards, but not where you would think.
Well, at Life Made Easy, we use all natural cleaning products. So what I love to do is show people how they can do the same thing at home using ingredients that they already have at home in their cabinets, and then they're eco-friendly, super, super cheap.
You're saying this is the best window cleaner?
The best. I swear by this stuff. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we've got our 2 cups of hot water, warm water, and to that we're going to add the alcohol, and we're also going to add the vinegar, and then we're going to add the secret ingredient of cornstarch, which is the natural abrasive, which dissolves in water so it doesn't really scratch anything, and we're gonna give this a good stir. Now, obviously the smell coming from here is, vinegar, rubbing alcohol, nothing beautiful. So what I love doing here at this point is infusing with either some essential oils, or as I like to use, the orange peel.
Just a nice fresh scent.
Yes, fresh. You can use lemon, you can use grapefruit. It's actually really great for a disinfectant as well. So any kind of citrus fruit has its natural properties that'll help disinfect and sanitize.
So it sanitizes as well as it smells nice.
Exactly. And then there you have it.
And if you want something a bit more convenient,
so what you want to do is grab a roll of paper towel, get a sharp knife, and just cut it to size of the container. Obviously, the taller, the better, then you'll have the larger wipes, but this works fine for me as well. So you just want to give it a good cut. You find the container that you want to use, and you stick this in, and you want to pour this liquid over top. And you need this to soak up a little bit, because what you're actually going to do is remove that inside brown piece once it kind of loosens from the glue that's on that first sheet of paper there. And once it does pull away, it does take a few minutes to soak in. Again, you end up pulling the pieces from the inside.
Just like those ones you buy at the store.
Exactly, just like the ones you buy at the store.
that cream of tartar in the cupboard from some long-forgotten baking project could be the answer to a sparkling kitchen.
So what we're going to do with this is mix it with 2 parts vinegar and 1 part of the cream of tartar. And you can make this into different types of consistencies, all the way down to a very, very kind of pasty substance. And it does wonders. It can even, take the stain out of a white collared shirt. It does a lot. But what I like to use it for is for my metals and to keep things super shiny.
Well, and so much is stainless steel now in the kitchens.
Exactly.
And like you pick this up, you're cooking, you pick up your toaster, then all of a sudden there's fingerprints, there's stuff all over it.
So you give that a good wipe and boom. Look at that.
Oh, wow. It's like a mirror.
It's like a mirror. And again, so you can use this in your sink, you can use this in, on your fridge if you have a stainless steel fridge, you can use it on pots and pans, really anything. And then again, like I said, also it's great as even a fabric stain remover as well.
These cleaning hacks are not only effective, but better for the environment and your wallet. Caitlin Herbst in Burnaby for Open House.